All right, this is Joe Biden, and I'm telling you why the Gmod Obunga is fucking scary as shit. Reason number one. They don't fuck. Example one. Hey, stop. Stop. As you can see, they don't die at all, which is pretty bad if they're chasing you. Reason number two. They're really, really scary. As you can see, that made me piss my balls, and it was really scary. On to number three. Reason number three. Home invasion.
Like and subscribe to the homeowners or your loved ones will be in danger.